In household wiring, electrical appliances are usually connected in parallel rather than in series. Here's why. 1. Independent operation. In a parallel connection, each appliance operates independently. If one appliance fails or is turned off, it doesn't affect others. In a series connection, however, if one device stops working, the entire circuit is interrupted and all other devices stop functioning. 2. Constant voltage. In parallel circuits, each appliance receives the same voltage as the power supply, like 230 volts in homes, ensuring that each appliance works at its rated voltage. In series connections, the voltage gets divided across devices, which would mean lower voltage for each appliance and might result in improper operation. 3. Control of power and safety. Parallel circuits allow each appliance to draw the required current, ensuring safe and efficient operation. A series connection could result in an uneven distribution of current and even overheating, which can be dangerous for household use. So, parallel connections are more practical and safe for household appliances.